Good morning, traders. The news has come out at 7:30 in the morning, and I have just taken a short position. This trade was called out in advance before it would even happen in my charting service, and I am short. I've got a 20 tick stop on this, and I've got a 40 tick exit. Should be able to hit the 40 ticks very easily. I'll be back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. By the way, just to quickly show that this isn't any sort of a replay, we'll go to the world clock, bring it up, and you'll see in Los Angeles it's 7:54 a.m. and here in Bangkok it is 21:54. So Los Angeles, I have my computer set to Los Angeles time, which is 7:54, and there it is, 7:54. And you can even see the time I took the trade, which is 7:49 a.m. on the software. So it's no replay. This is real time, and by knowing how the computer works behind all of the movement, you can know which direction it's going to go with an incredible accuracy. This trade was predicted and called in my charting service let's see, 10 hours ago. So that is the amazing phenomenon of knowing how the computer works before it will even happen. Anyway, I will come back shortly. It just needs to make it down to the 40 tick exit down here at 72, and it'll be for a quick 40 ticks. Should be able to make it very easily. I'll be back shortly to show you the progression, or at least the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's almost there. Should be able to get there pretty quickly. I'll come back when it does. Just to show though, I took this trade at 7:49 a.m. and it's now 8:02 a.m. So 13 minutes. It's been 13 minutes so far. It's almost to the exit. You know, a quick 15-20 minute trade. Make 40 ticks, all from knowing the code. Now, is that incredible or what? I mean, believe me, I've been trading since the year 2000 for the last 16 years. Believe me, this is incredible, and you won't ever see anything like this, ever. It's just not possible. There's nothing out there like the codes. Anyway, I'll come back. It's gonna take a little bit longer, but I'm not worried about it bouncing back up. It'll go back down, it'll hit the exit. This trade good for 40 ticks and probably, you know, more. Probably 50, 60, 70, 80 ticks. But 40 ticks it should be good for. Very high math on that. So I'll come back. Okay, it's made it to the exit for 40 ticks. That's how easy it is, everyone. You know, a lot of people look at this and they say, this is too good to be true. It's not too good to be true. It is true. But I will admit that it's something exceedingly unique, you know. When I discovered the codes 10 years ago, you know, to me it was, you know, I mean, even I myself could hardly believe it. You know, I just was amazed by it, and it took me a while to figure the codes all out. You know, once I realized that there was a code, I started to, you know, dive into it and figure out what the codes were all about and how they worked. And that's what I do now, is I teach in my video courses how the codes work, how they work, how to identify them, how to use them, everything. You know, I teach exactly how to do this. It's not something that should be taken lightly. You know, this is a very intensive course, and you know, it's not something to... Making money should never be taken lightly. You should be as serious as you can be when it comes to making money, whether that be if you start a business, or whether that be you trading. No matter what it is that you're doing to make money, you should take it seriously, because money is obviously very important. Especially when it comes to trading. You know, trading should be something that's taken very, very seriously, because it's so easy to press buttons. It's so easy to short. It's so easy to buy. If you make the wrong mistake, you know, it can be very costly, obviously. You need to make the right decision. And if you can make the right decision, then obviously if you knew to go short up here, like I did, and you knew you can get 40 ticks, like I did, then you make the money. It's not rocket science. It's very simple. Of course, I've been doing this for 10 years, so, you know, it's very simple to me. But I do believe that it's very simple in nature. But the thing is that, you know, if you've never traded before, you should absolutely practice this before you start going into a, you know, practice your entries first before you start using your account. And you can easily do that. You can easily see the code, see, okay, it's going to go down right now. And if you're right, you know, and if it make it to the exit, you don't have to put your orders in. Anyway, I'm going to get going. It's Wednesday here. It's 10:10 p.m. right now. 10:10 p.m. or 10:11 p.m. Actually, one of my watches says 10:11. My other watch says about 10:10. My clock says 8:09. So they're all off by a minute. Anyway, I will be back for the charting service tomorrow, and I will try to be back for the trading tomorrow, since I'm going to know exactly what the code 2 is now, and be able to nail the trade very easily tomorrow, as will everyone in my charting service. And so I'll try to be back for it to show it to you, but I can't guarantee that I will, because I am pretty busy out here now. You know, I'm out here in Bangkok, and there's so many things to do out here. I mean, it's a lot of fun out here. I really like it. And so I don't always have the time to trade anymore. I traded for 16 years, you know, so I sort of like to take more time off than I ever did before. And but anyway, I'm going to have the office set up out here. You're all invited to come to Bangkok and come learn in person for a whole week. I will teach you for a whole week to trade exactly like I do. And you'll be able to meet me, I'll be able to meet you, and you'll love Bangkok. It's a lot of fun here. Of course, I'm not an expert, but I could show you around a bit, because I've been here for 8 months. And I have been many places now, and it's a lot of fun here. Anyway, I'm going to get going. Hope you traders are doing well, and I hope you traders are being inspired by the codes, and I hope you charting members nailed the trade. You should have. I will be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, everyone.